So I've made a Atari punk console with a low frequency oscillator. It's a vibrati punk console, I believe they call it, and then added a controllable active low pass filter on the right. As you can see, single potentiometer on the right. So now I'm going to disconnect the low pass filter and just have it going through the VPC, the vibrating pump console. So as you can hear, it sounds crap basically. This is going through a nice Bose speaker. So I'll put it back in to the active low pass filter. Only just experimenting really in beginning. So now, hopefully, it should sound a bit better. So I think I can't hear it though. From what I remember from filming it, it does sound better. And I've recorded a couple of minutes of just making what the phone recognises as music, basically. So yeah, you get close to there. There's the low frequency. There's low pass filter. The 12 amps, 2 batteries, decent speaker, and yeah, producing something that sounds a bit better than anything else I've made. So happy with that, and enjoy, hopefully.